called God of the Pencil Box. Sometimes there is nothing to do, just lie straight in the pencil box, slotted with all the others, sensing the comfort of the eraser in his compartment. Our guide and friend, compassionate provider of the second chance. The eraser is in fact God of the pencil box. You have to pressure very hard to beat him. The colored ones only are immune. They create gay, indelible rainbows and such, while we draw shadows and edges, monumental buildings, grey rain. Today, while I was filling in 4 dozen slate tiles on a steeple of a superlative cathedral, the point of my being just snapped. God sent the sharpener and allowed me to enter her. Somebody then, I don't know who, twisted. This one is called Constellations. The world turns somehow, but when the clouds clear, night sky is different. Gone are the bears, major and minor, the scorpion, crab, and all that crowd of bull, ram, goat, no more. The water carrier, dubious scales, and the alleged twins I can never find. Even doughty Orion with the easy-to-spot sword belt and snapping dogged heel is gone. A new configuration of constellations is apparent up there. I see a weeping unicorn in flight, and a dove feeds upon spare stars, and 2 hands clasp in a handshake, in the dark, a whip, a stick, a fractured heart. Everything and nothing is changed.